I'll be showing you an experiment of 2 oranges. Which one will sink and which one will not? Comment down below. Contestant 1, contestant 2.
Which one do you think will sink first?
I think this one will sink first because this one is heavier and this one is not heavier, so it won't sink as quickly.
Okay, let's do the one already peeled. Uh-oh, it looks like sink right away.
Should we try the next one?
Yes, please.
There's gonna be orange juice in there anytime soon.
That tastes good. Uh-oh, it looks like it's floating.
How long will it float?
I think it float for quite a long time.
Even if I push it down?
Yeah. Okay, do you know why the orange was peeled will float?
I think I do, because inside the peel there's air which makes it float, and this one lost its peel, so this one is basically its life jacket.
Wow, okay, can I just wear the orange peel in the water park next time?
No, it's only for like oranges, and this one is for humans. Humans only. Oranges only. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Goodbye. Let's do that again. Hopefully the life jacket's outside.